This is a lot of tape, Mom.
Yeah, so they can protect it. I hope I don't smash it.
This is a long box. This is a long box.
Ooh, nice.
Oh,
It
nice.
has its own box.
My color. No, it's a guitar.
It looks like a guitar, but it's a smaller version.
How about I can try? Let's see.
Okay, hold please. Oh, that's a very tiny. The electronic tuner. KALA.
How about what's that?
Electric tuner. Okay, it's all good.
How about they try?
Sit down, please, Raymond, or finish your food. Okay.
I can finish my food and make
Let's try to be careful with it.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, bought extra strings already.
Damn. Honey. Oh, I'm getting some rice. Oh, this is mine.
Before you get started, your ukulele may be out of tune. Strings need to be stretched and tuned several times in your first few weeks of playing in order to settle. Please see our tuning videos at kalabrand.com. Nice.
How about I try? I don't know.
And the tuner. Open the tuner. Gosh, it's so tiny.
I only need that.
Crafter. Okay, crafter. Tuner.
This mine?
No, Raylan.
I'll do. How about I do?
Please be careful with this. Okay. It's movable 300. Just use the lead.
Where's it?
Turn it on. Oh, it's hot.